It's a card.
Whoa, this is illustrated.
Oh, they look like stickers, honey. Let's see. Let me read the front. This is just for you, an Easter sticker book. From someone who thinks you're too nice to forget. A wish that you're having the best Easter yet. Cool. What else do you have? I think you have more stuff in there. Oh, here.
First, this is flossers.
Flossers?
A little bit more. Winning Grapes book. Winning Grapes book.
A grapes book?
Yeah.
You like it?
Big chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate bunny.
Yeah. Chocolate. Another chocolate. Another chocolate.
Good thing you got a new toothbrush and flossers, huh? Hey, Ellie, can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa Martin?
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Hey, look up. What do you want to play with first? Can't decide?
Can you go put this in the bookcase?
Yeah. You want to go read it?